Welcome here to my YouTube channels. Viewers, we will discuss about and that videos the most important MCQs of our buildings. It is useful MCQs for the construction sites. It is repeated in every exams and asked to an interview questions. If you are civil engineers, and you should be most that MCQs. So let's get started. The first MCQs is that the minimum bearing capacity of a soil is that of. Your option is that the black cotton soil. Second is the lowest pine sandy soils. The third one is dry coarse. And the fourth one hard rock. And the fifth one is soft clay soils. The answer is hard rocks. That is means your minimum bearing capacity of soil is mostly to hard rocks. That will be a good bearing capacity. You can see that the examples on your screens. There is many different types of soils. You can see there. Okay. Bree rocks is available bearing capacity, LBS and foot squares. It is drainage. Okay. Then you can see that on the video and your screens, and after that you can see in the clay, lime, gravel, sand, etc. If your bearing capacity is good to convert on the earth so easily, then you can see that. Okay, the gravel is the minimum bearing capacity is 3000. That is good considers. The gravel with the fines, the bearing capacity is 3000 is good considers. The sand is the bearing capacity is 2000 is considered to goods. And with fines to consider to the bearing capacity 2000 feet square or LBS. It is considered goods. And the solids to the bearing capacity is that 150 to the minimums that will be a normal size. Okay, then your soil is sealed. This will be minimum. Okay. After we will compact it, then after we start the project of that. Okay, and the clay is also 1500. The minimum is that. Okay, and the organic is the 0 to 400 to the fourth. That is not too good for the soil. Okay, I hope you will be understand the one questions will be clear. Okay, the second question is that the least bearing capacity of a granite is generally. Okay, you can to the use of that was the granites. Maybe your people is to know that what is granites. Okay, then you have to be option on the below the hard rock, moss clay, soft rock, the limited the coarse and soils. The answer is that the moss clay. Okay, you can say that the least bearing capacity of a granite is generally the most clays that will be a good granites. Okay, the least bearing capacity of the granite is generally is that look like that. Okay, you can see there. Then you can to the see in the cross mark on the road surface. That will be compacted. After test you can to the work properly after. Okay. The third question is that the bearing capacity of granite is generally, that is mean what is the value of the granite is generally. Okay, you can see that all of the options, the right answer is that 30 to 35 kg centimeter square. Okay, that's you will be use that value, and the granites they will be generally used for bearing capacity. Oh, the bearing capacity of the granite is generally of that. You can see there, that is a type of granites you can see on the markets after like gray colors, black, brown, etc., etc. You can see there. Okay, that is the useful. Okay, the next question is that the bearing capacity of the soil cannot to be important by. Okay, you can see that all of the options. The first option is that draining subsoil waters, B the remaining crushed stone in the soil, C drying soil, and the answer is watering surface of soil. That is mean okay, when you construct any project, then you can see that soil is good for constructions or not. If there is watering surface on the soils, that was not to improve by the bearing capacity, they cannot to be allotted on the your projects. Okay, they can you can see and the bearing capacity failures. Okay, the number one is that the generally shear failures. The most common type of a shear failures occurs in strong soil as rock. You can see there that is good to shear failures, some like that one factors. The second is the local shear failures. Okay, when your project will fail, that is the most important reason of that. The intermediate between journal and pinching shear failures. The third one is the pinching shear failures. The across is very loose sandy weak clays. Then your project will be start after your sand is clay so weak, then your bearing capacity will be paired. Okay, that is important. You can see that the failure of capacity. Okay, then you can see after your work will be good. Depth of the lean or concrete bed place at the bottoms of the wall footing is kept when you depth of the wall boards will be equal as or not, that will be you can see that all options the equal it's to the projections by owned wall base. Then you can to the depth of the link concretes to the place at the bottom, so all the footing is keep to the equal it's the project's void on the wall base. You have I think you must to be learn some things on these videos. Maybe you can see that video you after you will success your interviews and you can to be some knowledge on that videos. Okay, see you next time.